Good afternoon, everyone. So before we start, I would just like to show us a quick video. So I'm here to present my company from very humble beginnings in 1873, 146 years ago now. We started as a tiny machine workshop in Wisconsin. And by dint of the innovative spirit that our company has become known for all over the world, we started and sold the very first bathtub, basically made out of a horse trough, which was enameled over, and as legend would have it, was sold for 3 chickens and 7 horses. Okay. Next. Today, the company has more than 13,000 products produced, and 7,000 of them, over half of them, we have actually owned patents in. On top of that, we have more than 55 manufacturing locations all over the world. I'll touch a bit on that in further slides down the road. We have more than 30,000 associates, so you can see from those very small beginnings, we're actually quite a large conglomerate today. And that has been indicated in what the market has rewarded us with in terms of our position in the market. So today, in the United States, we are number 1. In India, we are the number 1 international brand, and as well as in Asia. So what do we do? At Kohler Kitchen and Bathrooms, we are multi-specialists in the area of the bathroom. So what we offer you is a full range, a one-stop shop, okay, for kitchen and bathroom items, from the ceramics to showering to drains and furniture, and we do even have, artist editions. So why Kohler sanitary ware? We do offer you a wide range of products in terms of design, the look and feel, whatever you're looking for in your product. On top of that, we have as well, industry-leading innovations called the Next Range, and as well in terms of the materials that we use, both for the seats and for the ceramic base itself. Now, the American Standards for Mechanical Engineering has, some specific standards which they use to judge certain products that go into the market. We at Kohler endeavor to always do twice the industry standard in terms of, the minimum expectation for those products, and this is what we apply to all our products. In terms of brassware, we have some very specific innovations, that have been tested for especially the India and Middle East and Africa market, based on the type of quality of water that we have here. We all know the kind of quality of water we have and the environment as well that we have in places like Lekki, in the riverine areas. So one of the things that we test to, as per the ASME standards that I mentioned earlier, is we do the acetic salt spray test, and we actually do it to twice the industry standard. In terms of actuations, for instance, we also ensure that we test our cartridges to simulate more than 50 years of usage. The industry standard is 25 years. We actually ensure that ours can withstand more than 50 years of usage. And to top all that, we do have in that range as well, from the very organic design to geometric shapes, depending on whatever you're looking for. These are some of the awards that our brand has won over the years. The IF Awards, the Red Dot Design Award, Good Design Award, and our composed range won the Red Dot Award just 2 years ago. These are some of the projects that our partners you know, in the industry, your companies have actually trusted us with globally. Amongst them, you'll find the Marriotts, the Four Seasons, Hiltons, and of course, you'd find the Wayne, and many of us can recognize the building in the middle there, right? So these are some of our regional projects recently in West Africa that we have actually done. We have the Brevia Hotel in Niamey, the Art Hotel, which is currently ongoing in Lagos, and we're part of the Marriott as well, along with the Bond Hotel Warri renovation, which is ongoing. Of course, lastly, we do, of course, in office spaces as well. We have the Promasidor HQ, which is currently being done by one of the partners actually in this room. So what do we offer you as a contractor, a mechanical engineering firm, or an architect? One of the things we offer is full specification service. When you are designing your building and you're looking at, do you want, what is the budget that you're looking at? Can you give us a brief on what the design style that your client is looking for? And as well as if there are any particular restrictions. And we would come, my team and I would come up, you know, with a full specification kit for you in terms of spec sheets, installation guides when you need them, and of course, digital files, Revit, BIM data files, and CAD. Lastly, we offer a full technical support both during the project execution and, of course, as part of after handover of the building itself. So we ensure that we train staff at the beginning of the project. We offer on-site installation support when you're actually installing. At the same time, we offer after-site handover. Vis-a-vis, we train the facility management team. So this video, now we have the sound. So a gentleman mentioned, the CEO of Landmark mentioned that he was distracted a bit earlier. So I just want to show him the video of why he was a bit distracted. We have the volume. Oh, so we still don't have it. I'm so sorry. But most can see what is on there. We recently partnered with the biggest football club in the world, a huge brand in itself. As many of you would have seen, we are the sleeve sponsor for Manchester United, and we've seen a lot of synergies with the company as it is. Thank you so much for listening. Please come over to our stand and let's have a chat on how we can delight you on your projects going forward. Thank you.